To release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight and low across your hips and wear it anytime you are seated. There are 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, and 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to exits. A safety information card is in the seat back or literature pocket in front of you. In the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the strap to open the container and remove the pouch. Place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, buckle it in the front and pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest. To manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. The flight attendants are coming by to check that your seatbelts are fastened, your seat backs and tray tables are in their full, upright and locked position, and all of your carry-on items are completely underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin, leaving the area around your feet clear. Smoking is not allowed on board, including the lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. Electronic cigarettes are also prohibited.
Wait, 8:45, but it's still sunny.
If needed, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you're traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, put on your mask first. Thank you for your attention. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy this 1 hour and 29-minute flight to Reno. Welcome aboard.
So that's how long it is. Guys, that's really annoying. Yeah. Tell me down in the comments how annoying it is. Okay? Pinky promise, okay? Okay, Pinky. Guys, do you know what a pinky promise is? No, you don't. I want cheap, but baby. Try that one. Okay, that. So get that off. How do you? Oh my God. Oh yeah. So down below. If you said hey, no, should be too bright. Okay. It's too bright. They can't see my face. My face is white. Okay, Dad's got. Okay. My whole face is white. I just wait. Daisy, I can't see anything.